Garages can easily become cluttered and unmanageable. A purchase of a CrownWall PVC panel kit from Garage Royalty can eliminate the mess and provide you with the organization you need to make the most out of your garage space. In this video, we'll demonstrate the installation process for the 8x4 CrownWall PVC panel kit. You'll need a few tools before installing: a tape measure, pencil, stud detector, level, and a drill. Your 8x4 CrownWall panel kit includes 8 panels, J-trim to cover the sides of the panels, top trim to cover the top of your panel, instructions, screws, and a drill bit. Begin installation by determining how high on the wall you want your panels to sit. Measure the length with a tape measure and mark each endpoint with a pencil. Then, using a stud detector, locate and mark all studs along the section of the wall that you'd like to cover. Use a level to draw a straight vertical line along the wall at each point where you've marked the stud. Each vertical line should be as long as the length of your crown wall and will serve as a reference point as you drill support screws to the stud for each individual panel. Next, install your first panel. Use a level to ensure that your foundation is straight and your vertical stud lines as a reference point for each screw. Skip the start and ending screws for now and install every other support screw by drilling through the starter line of your panel. After all the inner screws are secure, it's time to install J-trim on the sides of your panel. The longer side of the J-trim should be flush to the wall. Use a level to make sure the trim is perpendicular to the panel. Drill through the upper channel of the panel and the J-trim into the studs on both ends. Slide your next panel into the frame. Be sure to press down firmly until you hear an audible click. Screw through the upper channel and into each stud before adding the next panel. Continue this step until all panels are installed. Install top trim by simply pressing down and clicking the trim into the top of your final panel. Following installation of your 8x4 CrownWall panel kit, wipe your panels to rid them of any lingering dust or debris. CrownWall accessories are sold separately and make it easy to store and organize almost anything. Choose from hook options like our 8-inch and 4-inch double hooks, bike hooks, J-hooks, and 4-inch single hooks. Arrange and rearrange to fit the demands of your garage and lifestyle. The 8x4 CrownWall panel kit makes it easy to store and organize almost anything in your garage. Garage Royalty creates stunning garage products tailored to your exact needs.